Hello everyone, and welcome to a 9th PHP tutorial in my series of PHP tutorials. Today I'm starting my series on loop tutorials, actually, in PHP. The loop we're learning about today is something called the while loop. And if you understood the thing with the if statements 100%, well, then this actually should be a piece of cake for you. If you understood the if statement thing, then you're looking forward to some quite calm minutes with no really big surprises. So you are just going to erase this whole switch statement and just keep the variable x as it is, with the value 5, and actually I'm going to make the size of this bigger, like that. Now type WHILE, while, and now inside the parameters $x less than 5. Okay, so this is actually not very complicated at all. You see, while is the keyword, and that's why it's called a while loop. And you can actually think of it like an if statement. You see, you got the keyword right here, and then inside the parameters we have the term of running, and then in here we have the action. And that's the exact same thing that we also had in the if statements thing. So this should actually be a piece of cake. There's just one difference. Well, two differences, because the keyword is while and not if, but the other difference is that if statement would only do the thing one time. Well, this one will do it for all eternity. So to see what I mean, you just hit save right now, and actually this is not such a good idea, because I remember last time I did this. Well, because I'm just going to explain what this would have done. Well, this would have said that as long as the variable x is less than 5, keep printing out hello. And x, which is whoops, actually I made a little mistake right here. Set this equal to 0. Set x equal to 0. So what we're actually saying is that while the value of x, which is 0, is less than 5, keep printing out hello. And 0 will always be less than 5, and for that, and therefore it will print out hello in all eternity, and my computer, and probably yours, can't handle that, and then your computer will just go totally lagging, and you'll not be able to do anything, and then you'll have to restart. So we're going to say the variable x plus and now a semicolon. This will stop it. Now you hit save, and now we are going to reload or refresh the page, and now as you see it says hello, 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 and it says hello 5 times. And if you want to add a line break in between each hello, then just do like this. This BR thing right here with a slash in front of BR will break off this line. That's what it means. So if you try and save it again and refreshing again, you'll see that it says hello, 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 hello 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And do we have any idea why it says 5 times? Well, that's because that the variable x is equal to 0, and we say that as long as x is less than 5, then the first thing you do is to increment I by 1, x by 1. So now x will be equal to 1, and then print out hello. Now it'll do this again, then it'll iterate the loop again. Now x will be equal to 2, print out hello. And then when it hits 5, because when it hits 5, x is no longer less than 5. So when it has done this 5 times, when x has been incremented by 1 5 times, this term will no longer be true and therefore it stops. So if you say 10 here and saving it and reloading it like this, it'll say hello 10 times. And you know that's because that now we say that as long as x is less than 10, print out hello, and once you print it out hello, also remember to increment x by 1. So it'll do this 10 times, because when x has been incremented from 0 to 10 times, then this term is no longer true and therefore the loop will exit automatically. So actually that's what a while loop is, and I hope that you understood it. And oh well, actually there's one more thing. Change this hello thing to the variable x. Now save it. This might illustrate what I mean even better. And refresh it. Now see, it says 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And that might illustrate what I'm trying to get across even better. So the first thing it'll do is to increment x by 1, and therefore now x will be equal to 1, and then print out the value of x, which is 1. Then reload the loop again, increment x by 1. Now it's 2, print out 2. So well, yep, that's actually what a while loop is. I suppose that the next time we'll be learning about the do loop. And well, yep, that's it. I'll see you in my next tutorial.